One of the most famous judgments of Imam Ali is the case of a dispute between him and a Jewish man over a piece of armor. It is narrated that a Jewish man had possession of a piece of armor that belonged to Imam Ali, who was the caliph at the time, took the matter to the judge, Qazi Shuraim, instead of using his authority to take it back by force. In court, Imam Ali presented his claim, but Qazi Shuraim asked for witnesses. Imam Ali brought his servant Kambar and his son Imam Hassan as witnesses. However, according to Islamic law, a son's testimony in favor of his father was not admissible, since Imam Ali did not have the required number of acceptable witnesses. The judge ruled in favor of the Jewish man. Despite being the ruler, Imam Ali humbly accepted the judgment. Seeing this, the Jewish man was deeply moved by the justice and fairness of Islam. He immediately admitted that the armor indeed belonged to Imam Ali and that he had only claimed it to test his honesty. He then returned the armor and, inspired by the justice of Imam Ali, accepted Islam. This judgment is a powerful example of Imam Ali's commitment to justice, fairness, and adherence to Islamic law, regardless of his own position.